Hey guys, look at this crazy hair. But we are getting ready to open the advent calendar. Aubrey, quit doing that in the chair. But we've been
I
up.
get to do two today.
No, you're just gonna do one. Somehow we get off count. I don't know how, but yeah, we get off count. But anyway, we are opening day 16 today, but we've been just hanging out this morning watching Fred Claus, and I made me a breakfast sandwich. Autumn came because she had to take my dad to work, but anyway, we're gonna open the thing. So open 16, Aubrey.
16.
What is it?
More chocolate.
Candy.
Can we eat them right now?
Can you not fall in the tree?
Can we eat them?
Yeah, that's fine.
Here's one. Can
But
we eat the floor?
tonight is the Christmas parade. Jake's gonna be in it, so
I can be in it too.
we're not gonna talk like that.
Sorry.
But anyway, yeah, we're just
We're
gonna.
gonna bring blankets too.
I don't know how much we'll vlog today, just because it's Saturday and we just kind of like hang out on Saturdays. You know, kind of just do
We
whatever.
got this candy a lot of times.
But anyway, we will see you when we see you guys.
So, because this is my our fourth one. Our fifth.
Okay.
Bye.
I can't ask any more questions. Ask him all those questions.
Yeah, because you asked the stupid ones.
Hey, Aubrey.
Then Monday.
So, oh my gosh, there's a funny story about that, especially in here in this town. So we're like driving through the Freshen stoplight. Small town, guys. You don't even understand. So this kid's like running across the street up here, like as we're driving down the highway. You can see the guy running. And I'm driving the Bug at the time. Seth rolls down the window and he's like, "Run, Forrest, run!" And the kid just was like mid-stride and he was like, "What?" Not funny? Okay, didn't pass Aubrey's standards.
Aubrey hasn't watched
Well.
Forrest Gump.
Oh gosh.
Someone was like, I love Forrest Gump. It's like a movie, and they were like, it's a stupid movie. And I was like, Mama's so stupid, it is stupid does.
Bam. Right there. Anyway, we have our hot chocolate and our bundles of coats, blankets, and chairs in the trunk.
Carhartt jacket.
Yep.
Coach, not jacket.
And yeah, we're just waiting for the parade to start. It starts at 7 and it's 6:10. We could probably go get a pizza. I ain't giving up this parking spot though.
Don't tempt me with a good time.
Like,
Aubrey, you want to sit?
you want to save our seat? No.
We kidding. We kidding. That's child abuse. We up with that. Believe. We don't mess with child abuse.
It's okay because I had to do a bear scat one earlier. But we are waiting for the parade, and I have not vlogged since I picked up the camera about noon today. But
woo! I haven't blogged since
vlogged?
Vlogged? When I say blogged,
Yeah.
any of it.
Anyway, I will show you guys the floats and stuff. And Jake's gonna be in it.
That's all we heard is sing.
Yep.
And the FFA float with all the cowboy hats.
We pull in to like drop Jake off, and she's like, Autumn was like, "No, you're from a small town and everybody's got a cowboy hat
No, I
on."
said, you know, you're from Southwest Missouri.
Small
But
town.
everybody's gotta get so.
No, but then I'd be like, come back in. I'm like, that's the FFA float. She's like, oh, makes sense.
My people.
Mm-hmm. Those are my people too. I made these earrings.
Is your degree in college in ag? No.
I didn't even
Believe.
I didn't go to college.
The peppermint. Sure.
Yeah, I thought you were wanting to eat the Chick-fil-A sauce. Don't joke about that.
So I'm joking about it.
No. Is it a wing tonight?
I've noticed because I want to flutter away from.
Why are you so mean to me?
I got marshmallow hot chocolate.
Cool.
Oh no, you don't want to try it.
I got
marshmallow fluff. It's called marshmallow fluff.
what's that stuff they froth it? Froth it?
Froth?
Fluff.
It's
She gets
called
it.
froth. Froth. Not like broth, but froth. Because it's foamy. They used to foam it. And then they...
Follow me. Anyway.
You good, Aubrey?
You gonna say
We're
hi
such
to the people?
weirdos, just or myself.
You gonna say hi to the people, Aubrey?
I would like to go say hi to baby Jesus over there.
He's not there.
I know, and it makes me really sad because they should always have a real baby Jesus. But I would love to freeze baby Jesus.
So, it's about 45 minutes. I figure we can get out. I'll go ahead and get out now.
No?
Well, I'm glad I filled up the car. Just waste all the gas. Anyhow,
Okay.
well, I will check in with you guys here in a little bit. We're gonna go eat Sonic after this. Booyah! There's Otto.
Is he gonna be long?
We are the Patriots! Couldn't be prouder! What? He was on the back. Say hi. Oh my God, you see Well, no, it's like all the way up to 6th grade, yeah. Oh, cool, look at this car, Aubrey. There's a piece of gum.
Oh, get that piece of gum. Get that.
You want to get on one of those? Why not? Oh, yeah. There goes Frosty, Aubrey. Go out there and dance with me. Good, Autumn. Get 10 extra points. We got you, girl.
Okay. Good thing you have this wall behind you.
This isn't good. The police always like jumping in. Oh, look at the pony.
Look at the pony with the lights on it. Oh, look at the tractor. It's a tractor.
Aubrey, it's a puppy. Oh my God, look at the bulldog. What?
We're walking to the crowd.
Oh. See, I want the thing in the back. Fancy. Do you have a gold one?
It's a vibe.
That's a vibe. That scared me, Aubrey. That's a Ford.
You want me to hold you here?
Yell back at it, Aubrey.
Yell back at it, ready?
Yep. They're worse than that.
Oh, my Indian friend.
How was the parade, Jake? What happened to your feet?
They got numb.
They got numbed.
How's the parade, Aubrey?
Again.
You got what kind of Reese's? Or
Peanut butter.
because Bubby saved you it, didn't he? Made sure Aubrey got that one.
It was yummy. I ate it in the car.
He's a good big brother. Look at that face. Good big brother.
Where's the, oh my gosh, did you mix your sauce, Aubrey? Where's the ketchup?
Arby's.
You have the meats.
We
For sandwiches. Arby's. Arby's.
That's basically just a potato.
Aubrey. You gonna say it? Arby's.
We have meat.
Forever she used to be. We have the beef. Hey guys, the dogs are ready to get out of their crate, but we are home and no, go throw that in the tray. Jacob, we are home. It is like Aubrey got a kitty cat from Aldi's. It is 9:10 and we are getting up early to go see Santa at Cabela's. That way, I like to go early. That way I don't have to deal with people. And we went last year, I think, super early. And
It's upside down.
yeah. And like we got in and out within like at least 15 minutes. I'm pretty sure we were the first or second ones.
No,
to
we're
go
the
through.
first.
But yeah, it was pretty awesome.
We
So
gotta tell Santa to come out of his workshop.
oh yeah, I forgot about that. That was pretty cool.
What? Tell Santa to get out of his workshop.
Last year. But yeah. Yeah.
I can fix it.
Okay, so we are gonna let the dogs out. Jake, go throw that in the trash. Go let the dogs out. We're gonna get ready for bed and we will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
By the way, we had my parade.
Football parade
for our
Christmas.
for Christmas and our school and our football team, and we went, and I only had 3 pieces of candy. I had 2 candy canes. I threw them on the first block, and I had 1 Reese's peanut butter cup that I saved it for my little sister.
Little sister. Oh, look at that little sister. Little sister.
Sister.
He loves this little sister. All right, we're saying bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.